Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. What you see here is a privacy lattice that I did. Now the fence panel I think here is about 6 feet tall, but because of my neighbor being so high here, the request was to put up something as a visual block for privacy. So what I did here was I used some lattice. I built a frame around it and then I mounted it above the fence panel. So this lattice here comes in a 4x8 sheet, this lattice here. I had it cut in half at the store. I put this frame around it. I screwed it together to hold everything together so it'd be more rigid, and then you can see these screws there and then the screws there. So for this to work, your fence post has to extend higher than the fence panel. If it's too low, this won't work, but this is a very simple way to quote unquote extend your fence panels so you can get more privacy. Doing this is cheap, it's effective, and I think I did this about 6 years ago and it still looks really good. I just recently repainted it. That's why the color here is a little bit different from this color down here. But I coated this twice when I first built it. And now 5-6 years later, I put another couple coats of paint on it and it should be good for another 5 years. Guys, this is a quick and simple way to extend your fence panels a little bit higher while being cost effective. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.